Good evening, friends. It's a chilly day in Amritsar, and बड़े दिन पहले मैंने ना एक फेसबुक पे एक पोस्ट डाली थी जो लेट्स लर्न का चैनल है उसमें मैं कभी कभी बीच में पोस्ट डालता रहता हूँ। उसमें मैंने एक ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रैटेजी आई पुट इट ऑन दैट वाज द प्राइस वॉल्यूम इंडिकेटर, ट्रेडिंग विद प्राइस वॉल्यूम इंडिकेटर। इसके ऊपर सबका मुझे मैसेज आया कि सर ये क्या चीज है, तो ये कहाँ से मिलता है, तो इसके ऊपर सारा कुछ दिया था। एंड सो इट इज एक्चुअली व्हाई यू व्हाट इट इज एक्चुअली, मैं वो आज आपको एक छोटा सा बना रहा हूँ। इट्स अ स्मॉल वीडियो, गोइंग टू बी वेरी स्मॉल वीडियो, and it can be easily done. It's a hack which is done on TradingView. The best thing is you must read on the lower side is this is PVT and SMA 21. PVT is price volume trend and हमने SMA 21 है। एक चार्ट के ऊपर आता है, दैट इज SMA 21 इज प्लेस्ड ऑन द चार्ट एंड PVT इज अंडरले होता है। वो नीचे अलग से जैसे RSI आता है नीचे आता है, इंडिकेटर है। तो इनको हम कैसे कंबाइन कर सकते हैं? So it's a very simple trading strategy using a PVT, which I'm going to show you just now on TradingView. So let's go to the TradingView and तो ये हमारा अभी TradingView का चार्ट है। So इस पे मैंने डिफॉल्ट रिलायंस का चार्ट लगा दिया है। So now the first thing was what we need to put up is the standard SMA simple moving average, जिसका हमने डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग जो रखनी है दैट इज 21, and color you can choose according to you because PVT भी इसी डिफॉल्ट कलर में, so we keep it as red and we okay। बाकी हमने कोई सेटिंग्स के साथ छेड़खानी नहीं करनी है। If we go and place this thing indicator, तो हम जो करते हैं that is price volume trend, that is PVT. It's a standard indicator which is there in TradingView ये, बट अब ये अंडरले है, आपके नीचे लगता है, तो आपने बस इसके ऊपर क्लिक करना है एंड यू ड्रैग इट ओवर हियर। बट आप जब भी चार्ट मूव करोगे ना तो ये मूव करना शुरू कर देता है, सो यू डोंट नो हाउ टू डू इट। तो इसको आपने SMA के साथ क्या करना है, जस्ट गो एंड इनपुट्स में जाए, यहाँ पे सोर्स में जहां पे क्लोज है जस्ट कन्वर्टेड टू PVT। नाउ यू सी so the indication of buy and sell are absolutely clear. You can close down your this thing even the candlestick. When the PVT line crosses the simple moving average, you come into the buy, and when it crosses below it, you can exit the sell your buy position. But once it crosses above, you enter again and then you ride till it doesn't cross it. So अगर आप इसको चार्ट को भी हटा दें तो this is a way you can easily make it out कि ये आपका एक अच्छा सा चार्ट चल रहा है। This will help you to ride a very long trend if you follow a kind of a strategy, simple trading strategy. That is two lines crossing each other. You entered here and you exited somewhere here. So you exited around 28.61 or maybe lower than that, and you entered somewhere around 25.39. So that is how you ride big trends using the price trend indicator. You exited out here, re-entered here, and exited almost as cost to cost. यहाँ पे आपका short का एक trade बना. Now let's go and see a short trade also. You entered when it crossed below it. यहाँ पे ऊपर गया, आपका stop loss set है. आप again दोबारा short में बैठे. You exited here. You again re-entered out here is. आप इसको reset करेंगे तो आपका ऊपर आ जाएगा. ये देखें, see. You entered here. You exited out here. Not, you don't even exit. You didn't exit out here. मैंने चार्ट रीसेट कर दिया। ये नीचे आप यहाँ पे आप एंटर कर गए हो and you are riding the trend. This is on a daily time frame. Even if it crossed the SMA, you are not coming out of the trend. You are just riding it, and you come out of this downward somewhere around about 23.10. So you make a somewhere around about on a daily time frame around 160 rupees का आप trend ride करते हो. Now let's go and see it in Bank Nifty, and let's see it first in Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance gave a very good trade. You can see it gave you trade out here is. देखो हमारे trend line के साथ भी ये trade coincide कर रहा था. This is where it went, and you are still in a buy trade. You're going up. You will not exit till it doesn't come below this SMA. This is the first way, one way of putting up your chart. You're putting up your SMA and you're trading it. कि आप प्राइस वॉल्यूम ट्रेंड इंडिकेटर एंड SMA 21 को कैसे लगाते हैं. मैं एक बार दोबारा सबको लगा के दिखा देता हूँ. बहुत सारे लोगों को फर्स्ट टाइम समझ नहीं. नाउ दिस टाइम आई विल बी स्पीकिंग टोटली इन इंग्लिश. Now this is a price volume trend is a default indicator which is there. It comes on the lower part of the chart like an RSI. It's an underlay indicator. And the second indicator is an SMA 21. The default setting of SMA is 9. You convert it into 21 and convert this into change the color because both the indicators are coming with the same line. Now just click on the line of PVT and drag it upwards. It comes on here. But it will keep on moving because it is moving according the SMA is fixed. We want the SMA should react next to how the price trend is doing is. So go to the inputs, the source, just go down, low down, scroll down and just click on PPT. Now the chart is absolutely clear in front of you. You're taking a buy trade when the PVT line crosses the SMA 21 and you're staying in the trade till it doesn't crosses doesn't cut it on the lower side. As it cut on the lower side, it starts your negative trade. You can see if you took a trade out here, you exited well below your price and before it reversed even. So this is how you take a trade based on these indicators. This is where you could have even taken your buy trade. So you're not waiting for the candle to close above the SMA 21. So this is the beauty of this technique, or how you do it. Now, another way of doing is just close it. I will just, this is the first way of doing it. If anybody who had some issues of not able to apply how the PVT is done this is the way it is done. Preferably, it's a very good indicator, which is it's a trading strategy, which is for swing trades. I don't recommend it to be on the smaller time frame. The whipsaws are very high. Let's go and see. And what everybody wants to do is in Bank Nifty and Nifty. Now, take my word this is the daily time frame of the Bank Nifty. And we entered somewhere out here in the bullish trade, 43,800, and we are still up out here. It's not a crossover, though it's coming close to it, but till it doesn't cross it, we are not looking for a negative trade. And it appears that on Monday, we are going to have a kind of an upper kind of a gap up opening. Now, if this is the basic way you can take any trades based on it. You can take any stock. Now the camps have started giving you an entry. The camps have suddenly come into an entry. It was on a negative side. It has come into an entry. So you have a stock out here. You can see Varun Beverages. It gave you an entry out here, 957, and you're still riding the trade. So if you go to ICICI Bank, it's on the negative side. It's not gone up. So you entered the trade somewhere on about here. That is 945 and exited on this candle. That is 991, 45 points. That is again approximately 5%. So long as it was below this line, we are not taking a trade. Moment it crossed up, we are taking the trade and we are then riding it till it doesn't cross, which it crossed here. Bombay Stock Exchange, you can see again, we entered trade where it was always in a buy. You entered somewhere around about 824 and you're riding it. And you had made an exit somewhere on about here. That also now it's together somewhere around 2,300. That is around approximately 1,500 points. You had a move. And now it is, if you guys go and it is not at present showing any sign of, it is still under that the SMA is, the price trend line is below the SMA. So you need not take the trade. This may be a false going up and it may come down and hit you. Now let's go and see what Nifty is doing is. Nifty is also in the uptrend. Your entry was out here. Somebody who does future can do it very well. See, you can do it very well and then start trailing your stop losses so that you don't make loss. So you may capture a big amount of move. I do say it, I'm not a SEBI registered guy. Please consult your financial advisor before you take a trade. Do a lot of back testing, paper testing, do a lot of analysis yourself before you take any trades. Thank you, everybody. I hope this query is now almost sorted out. In case you have any issues, please ping in the groups. I will be putting the link of the WhatsApp group in the YouTube channel description. So you can join the group from there. And I open it up in the post-market hours. Usually I close it in the market hours because everybody, it becomes too noisy for everybody. So you cannot concentrate on your trades. One more point which I would like to suggest is just as the end is that is the part 2 is that in case you are finding it difficult to trade on using the price trend indicator, price volume trend indicator, so you can just kick it off. So you have taken off all the indicators. Now just plot in the simple moving average. Make it 21. Make it red again as what we did previously. And rather than putting any price, we are not putting anything else into it. And just convert it into the line chart. So the rules are same. When it grows above the SMA, it closes above it, you take the trade. But if you don't, it closes below, you take a negative trade, sell trade. So this is how it goes up like this is. So this is in this, you don't have a second indicator out here. You can just put up the choose whatever you want as open, high, close, low, HL2, the high and the low, HLC3, high, low and close. You can do it that way also. This is also a way of doing it, having a noiseless chart. But don't try to jump over by switching or sometime like this, then no, this is a doji forming. Don't do that at least. If you follow anything, then follow it very rigorously. Now you see this point. If you take it close, you are in the trade, negative trade. But if you see the candlestick, you are exiting. So be very careful when you are doing it. So when you follow anything, follow it very by principles. Don't try to jump over from one thing to another. Thank you, friends. And in case any query, we'll discuss in the group. Thank you.